Kebab Bel Laban, kebab with yogurt al-Motubug, stuffed pastry squares. A main dish from
You will
Saudi
need 9
Arabia.
ingredients. Serves 2. Step 1.
Sift flour, add the water and salt a little at a time, mixing dough until it becomes soft but pliable.
Step 2.
Divide the dough into 10 pieces, knead each piece well. Place on a tray sprinkled with a little water and let rise for at least 1 hour. Put ground beef in a saucepan with chopped onion, black pepper and salt.
Step 3.
Stir over medium heat until cooked. Set aside until cool. Chop leeks and wash several times through a strainer, drain and put on a paper towel until excess water is absorbed.
Step 4.
Add to ground beef. Take a piece of dough and cover in flour, roll out, place over back of hands and stretch until dough becomes quite thin. Place dough on worktop and trim uneven edges. Brush
Step
2
5.
tablespoons of egg Place
in
and oil
frying
mixture
pan
over
or
dough
griddle
surface.
over medium heat
Fold
with
to
1
form
tablespoon
tablespoon
of
of
oil.
oil. Place pastry squares in pan and fry on both sides until golden brown. Repeat above method using 5 of the remaining
Step
pieces.
6.
With
Place
piece
one
number
fried
6
pastry
repeat is
square
above
into
the
the
center of the
folding stage.
unfolded piece, cover generously with ground beef and 3 tablespoons of beaten egg. Fold into a square. Remember to sprinkle oil and egg mixture between
Step 7.
layers. Fry in 3 tablespoons of oil over medium heat until both sides are golden brown. Repeat using remaining 4 pieces of dough.
Step 8. Serve hot.
Country reports, culture, countries, travel.